You're broke, overthinking, and still not posting? This is how a billionaire built his 4 million subscribers YouTube empire. No fancy gear, just iPhone vids and daily uploads.
So guys, today I'm going to teach you how to upload daily YouTube videos and make it easy for yourself. So guys, I'm having a very hectic day so far. It is around 2 o'clock. I had a meeting at 10 with a client that we just signed. As I said, I'm here in Amsterdam on a business trip for my marketing agency. Apart from that, things are really hectic. Influencer Ignited launches in 3 days. As you can see, I'm doing some recording for it here. That's the main sort of section. Yep, got the setup. Doing a bunch of editing. I actually just hopped on an interview with a coaching student. I coached him 6 weeks ago and he actually managed to quit his job since that time. And he is now making roughly 3.4K a month. So yeah, just jumped off an interview there. You guys will probably see that in a few weeks. So meetings, Influencer Ignited recording, coaching calls. I actually have a coaching call with one of my mentorship students. That's in like an hour and a half. Now I have to make some lunch for myself because I still haven't eaten today. So look, there is absolutely no reason for me to upload a YouTube video today, but I'm still gonna do it. And I'm gonna make it easy for myself. And let me explain what I mean by that. So many of you guys are making it hard on yourselves. You guys want every single video to be perfect. It has to have the perfect content. It has to have the best quality. You know what I'm shooting on right now? I'm shooting on my iPhone. That said, I'm using the back camera so I can still shoot some cool 4K. But yeah, I'm shooting on my iPhone 7, no mic. I'm not shooting on some fancy setup with mics, different lenses, stands. I'm not shooting in some beautiful lighting. You know, I don't have any wireless receiver equipment tagged on me. Guys, all I'm doing is I'm shooting on my iPhone. And the funny thing is, it's effective. I want you guys to go look at people like Ty Lopez, Alex Becker, any of the big guys. They shoot so many videos just on the front facing camera of their phone. And they actually use that stuff for multi-million-dollar advertising campaigns. And you know what? Here's the thing. I've actually tested it out. Look, if I'm honest, I would rather shoot on the nice setup. You know, I'd rather have amazing lighting in my videos. I'd rather plan out every single content. If that was effective, if that was what worked, I would do it, trust me. But no, what works better is uploading a YouTube video every day or as often as you can, you know, and lowering your standards. The key is, as terrible as it sounds, lower your expectations, lower your standards, and upload more frequently. And that is the most effective way. That's the way you're gonna grow an audience quicker. That's the way you're gonna make more affiliate commission sales by actually getting more videos out there. And in your description right now, I don't actually have any because I'm focusing on Influencer Ignited. But after that, you should be having your affiliate links, you should be having your digital products, your coaching programs, all that stuff should be in your links. And the more videos you upload, the more likely you're gonna start making money. So my point is, please drop your perfection. Perfection kills action. Okay, let me say that again. Perfection kills action taking. So drop your need for perfection, do what is practical, do what works. So yeah guys, that's my best advice for uploading daily YouTube videos or coming close to it. Anyways, we talk about this and a lot more in Influencer Ignited, which I have to get back to filming before my next coaching student. So I hope you guys are enjoying the daily YouTube videos. If you are, go ahead and click the bell right next to the subscribe button. That means you will get notified anytime a new one comes out. And I gotta get back to work, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.